Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delphine and today I am so happy. I cannot even believe it about the bag I'm gonna show you. If you've seen the caption of this video and so on, and you've seen the picture, you know which bag it is. But I don't know if you've seen my handbag wishlist video that I posted quite some time ago. You might have an idea. I mean, I bought it from Vestiaire Collective. Second little hint. I manifested this bag, guys. With this video, this handbag wishlist video, I think I manifested it. In that video, I was telling you about this dolce&gabbana Sicily handbag that I had seen, but it was a special edition one. Dolce&gabbana is a brand I did not have any bag from, and I had been thinking about buying the Sicily for quite some time because it's a classic one and to add to my kind of classic bag collection. And it's the one I like the most from Dolce&Gabbana, so I had settled on this one. And then I was following it on Vestiaire Collective. I had this little alert when there were some popping, and then I saw a special one, which was this limited family edition. And it was perfect because it was a mom with 2 kids. It was white. And I hesitated in buying it because the handle was extremely damaged and it was still more than 800 euro, almost 900. And I did not buy it, and then it just vanished. Like, not even sold, like it just disappeared. To the point where at some point I wondered if I had dreamed it. I tried to look for it in other platforms, could not find it. Found other version of this limited edition. They also did it with a dad and two kids. No, it was a mom and 2 little boys. They made other version. But I have a boy and a girl. That's why it particularly spoke to me, this one with the mom and the little boy and the little girl. And I posted this video with my wish list saying, hey, it's been several weeks now. I'm keeping my alert. I don't have that much hope that it will pop up again, but who knows? And as you can guess, it did. It did. Guys, I posted the video and I think the next day it popped. And because I'm a crazy person like that, I still tried to negotiate the price because the person wanted more than 1,000 for it. And I thought, come on, normally a normal Sicily new retails for 1,500, something like that. Okay, it's a special edition, so they were probably more expensive. What, you're falling. So they were probably slightly more expensive, but still like 1,000 for a used bag. I don't know. And it's a very special one also. It's not something I'm gonna wear every day. And so I negotiated the price and got it for I think around 850 euros. And it arrived. Let me open it. So the dust bag was there, so I'm very happy about that. And I was, look at that. Look, that's the mom, and that's the 2 kids. God, I can't. How special is this bag? So it has a little Vestiaire Collective tag. I chose to pay extra to have the full authentication and so on, because one reason why I also agreed now to pay more than 800 is the handle, the top handle, which was completely damaged with the other one that I basically would have had to get changed, is here in very good condition. There's a few marks, but like really almost nothing, not much than I will make after wearing it once or twice. The bottom, it looks perfect. Yeah, it looks in perfect condition, but you know, it's still a lot of money, and in this case I'm happy to pay, I think it's 15 euro extra to get it checked by Vestiaire Collective, and you can see that it was checked. You can even have the stamp with the name of the person that checked it. This is not sponsored or anything by Vestiaire Collective, by the way. I just buy regularly from them, and it just happened that this bag was there, so so I'm very happy. And I was also extremely happy because, as you can see on the pictures, it looked that it was much more white, and I thought I would still buy it, but you know, white, it gets damaged much easier. I also already have a white bag, but it's actually a very light pink beige kind of color, and this is much more perfect for me because I don't have so many bags in this color. It's something I will wear much easier in everyday life. And I love, look at the little details. You see, it's 3D, it's like little pearls. And look, this is little gold thing. Okay, we don't have a dog and a cat. I'm not gonna buy a dog and a cat just for the purpose of really completely matching this bag. This will be a tiny bit too crazy even for me. But I'm so happy. I'm gonna show you more. So here is Dolce&Gabbana then written. You have a strap that you can remove. And then when you open the bag, so inside there is also so a little dolce&gabbana pouch like that. Okay, it's renamed dolce&gabbana. I think it's just to keep the shape of the bag. The clothing is these two buttons which are magnetic. The mom loses her head, but I like the fact that you see they've also put a lot of the kits and everything. They've done it also under. It's not like it does not stop here, and then when you open the bag, you have just half of them. The kits are also there. It's inside leopard, which I find is a pretty cool little pouch. Then there's also this little dolce&gabbana thing with, okay, the authentication card or the paper, which is very good news for the authenticity of that bag. Although, to be honest, I don't think there will be any fake of this bag. It's so specific that I'm not sure anyone will make fakes of this. But so yeah, you have also here like kind of little card holder. Then you have this inside pocket. Then it's just one big pocket with this little one. I like the leopard detail inside. I must admit I had not noticed it on the pictures and videos. I mean, the bag is in really good condition. Look, I'm gonna try to show you. This little thing even still has this little plastic protection on it. And here you still have even like this little blue thing. I'm gonna take it out because especially it's blue. But so this bag has really not been worn a lot, or been worn by someone that was very careful or very uncareful and accidentally did not take out the thing. I don't know if it was being careful that you intended to leave them, or being not careful and did not notice that she forgot to leave one. I don't know. But I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. It's my little boy and my little girl on a bag. My husband is not convinced. My husband saw it and was like, how much did you pay for it? And then he was okay because, well, if you've seen my luxury handbag collection, you know that I've been forking bigger amounts of money for bags. So he was like, okay. At least I did not spend 5,000 on something like that. But I don't care. I love it. I love it. It's just, I don't know. And I like, that it is super classic design. Very simple, very lady, very rigid, a bit old school, and then this a bit crazy motifs on it. I don't know. And yeah, so as I said, I bought it for 850 euro. There might be more popping because, yeah, I mean, I cannot believe it. Really, I posted the video and like the next day it was there, and I was like, yes. So I think I should do more videos with pieces I'm looking for in Vestiaire Collective. Let's like manifest more of these fashion pieces, because there is several things I'm actually looking which are not available anymore because it's past collections from brand like Caravan, or I think I mentioned it once, is Valentino shoes and so on. Maybe I should do a video dedicated to all of that so that I can manifest all of them. But yeah, I'm so happy. And I don't know, I think the Sicily bag is also, yeah, such a classic one. I mean, the design itself suits me well, matches well my whole aesthetic, and I like this little touch of craziness. I showed it to a friend of mine and she was like, you got one! And I was like, yes. I got it. I cannot believe it. But as I said, they also had other ones in this family edition. When I was Googling, trying to find this one again, I saw that they released a lot of different versions, also just with animals, a lot of options. So if you like a bit this kind of bags, this kind of style, then don't hesitate to have a look. Dolce&Gabbana, Sicily, family edition or something like that, and you will see some of the others. And yeah, I mean, I'm very happy. And the hair color even match mine. Okay, it's not exactly the same hairstyle, but we're not that far. Yeah, she's chic. And the little girl is, but my boy also, I put a lot of polos on him, and he's often actually dressed like that. And it's so cute. My daughter is still a bit young, but I love to put dresses on her also, so I'm very happy. It's silly, but it makes me so happy. I don't know what you think about this bias, guys. If you own I don't know if you own also a bag from dolce&gabbana, Sicily, or if you have also some other, because a lot of bags, I remember also Fendi had this whole collection with like the bird's eyes. Loewe does collaboration with Studio Miyazaki with different anime and so on. There is a lot of collaboration and limited editions like that. So if you have also like some favorites, I've been sometimes wondering about the Loewe limited edition. Some are really, really cool. I've been hesitating sometimes. So I don't know if you have some also limited edition, like a bit different special pieces that are close to your heart. Don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section below. If you have any question about this bag, I will wear it a bit, and I will do later a full review also of wear and tear and all of these kind of things, but I will leave it sometimes. I want to wear this bag for, I think, at least a year before I can give you an honest opinion. I cannot give you an opinion on the wear and tear after wearing it 3 times. So this will come, but later. But if you have any other questions, things I can tell you already, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. And yeah, and I'm gonna go and enjoy this bag, and I'm gonna have fun with it. I'm sorry, I'm just so happy. Okay. Stopping the craziness here. Have a very nice day. I will leave you a video in case you haven't seen it, and if you enjoy this one and you want to see more, I'm not always that crazy, you can click here and then you can subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, and I wish you all a lovely, amazing, perfect day wherever you are.